Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unsend messages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the messenger icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Open the chat you want to unsend a message. Long press on the message you want to unsend. From the pop-up menu, tap on Unsend. Now tap on Unsend. And you will unsend messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to unsend messages on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.